Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you qualify to cancel. Read your admission letter for deadlines and refund terms. Once you have your student ID and application number, log into the admissions portal and open the cancellation or withdrawal section. This prevents delays. If an online form exists, complete mandatory fields now and attach proof like the admission letter or ID. Make sure to note any deposit amounts and the refund timeline, because that determines whether you'll recover fees and when to expect them. Next, you submit a formal cancellation request. Fill the form completely, provide current contact details, bank info for refunds, and a concise reason for withdrawal. Upload scans of ID and your admission letter. If policy asks for a sign letter, sign and scan it. Once submitted, request or download a confirmation receipt and record its reference number. If you must deliver documents in person or by mail, obtain proof of delivery so you can track progress and prove submission if discrepancies arise. Finally, you finalize cancellation by monitoring the application status and confirming the effective withdrawal date. Make sure the portal shows the cancellation reference and that finance confirms any refund, including amount and payment method. If processing stalls, contact admissions with your receipt number and politely escalate to a supervisor. If the request is denied, request a written reason and the appeals process. This gives you a clear next step and preserves deadlines for any formal complaint you may need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.